It's a whole lot of folk in here that are thankful for stuff that they can't testify about because people wouldn't understand your testimony. I mean, dumb stuff like, Lord, I thank you I can afford to get my hair done. Oh, y'all don't understand. Let me talk to these people over here. Lord, I thank you I got the book money to send the kids to school. I know that ain't a big testimony, but when you've been to hell and back, you can thank God for little stuff.
What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all how I made over $12,000 just from one free app. Yes, you guys, this is so powerful. I'm gonna show you the list of things that I did that you can implement today and start generating the same type of income that I did with this one free app. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, this is the app I want you to go download. It's called the DOSH app. DOSH is just like a cashback app where you can get cashback at a lot of places that we already shop at. They actually get, you know what I'm saying, you can get automatic cashback just by using like the stuff we already doing, like Uber Eats, Grubhub, Apple Music, and you can just get amazing cashbacks from a lot of different places. So let's just go ahead and explore the app right quick. But this is the app that made me over $12,000, and I'm gonna just show you. So you right here, I have made over $12,000 with this app, and you see my last payment was a couple of weeks ago, of $10. You guys, I love referring people to this app because I get paid and the other person get paid too. Basically they get paid the $5 just by using it, and of course they continue to get in cash back, so they're generating, you know, small type of income, especially if you're using that credit card. Guys, that is so powerful. But once you get your app and download it and link your debit card and probably make a purchase to receive the $5, this is what I want you to go do. This is how I made the money. I got my referral link and I just kept referring people to the company. That's it. And as right now they're giving $10 per referral. You guys, refer 10 people, that's $100 to a free app. So let me just show you the things that you can do to be able to generate that type of income. As of right now, I got $250 in my wallet. The minimum withdrawal is $25, and just try to keep your card active so they won't basically charge you. But if you got a credit card linked to it, you all good. So this is where I want you to go do. I want to come over here to Facebook. This is a main source of traffic that I have used to basically generate some income for DOSH. I promote it on Facebook, so I'm gonna just type in DOSH app and see what comes up. You guys, you see, I'm not the only one promoting it. A lot of other people promote it. So this is what you want to do. You want to take a small piece of result. So say if you link your debit card to it, you made $5 with that card. You use that and promote that to get other people to join. Or you could promote other people's result as well, because everybody's making this type of money. But this is another one that's a pay app. Let me just go to one of my ads that I use. But I use Facebook heavily, like I use it religiously. Like this is my go-to place to show people, you know, results. So like I said, this is the stuff that I post, and like I keep posting it to let everybody know that it is possible. And by me keep posting it, these my results, you guys, the check's still coming in because it's just so powerful. So use Facebook, post in Facebook groups daily, and then respond to all your comments as well. That's one way that I utilize getting traffic to that link. Another way is Pinterest. I posted on Pinterest 100 and some times as well. So let's just come over here to Pinterest, and you can just go to Pinterest and just type in DOSH and look what comes up. A lot of people are promoting it, and a lot of people are, you know, making a nice little something on the back end off of just referring people to this wonderful company. See, everybody getting reviews on it. Everybody have reviews. Yeah, man. Post ads over here as well. So let me just show you my stuff. So let me come over here to DOSH. See, I got like 20 some pings. You guys, YouTube videos, and you can just do blogs as well. You know, I'm gonna just show you something real dope that I tell people to do. You can come over here and just build a website around it. Build a website around the app. You know, basically, what you say, brand yourself. Brand yourself. I gotta upload that video again, but come over here and just put your website together and make it look nice. It's clean. It's all simple, and get people to the app. You know what I'm saying? It's just not one way to get people to this app. And also, you got to use YouTube, what you watching now. You know I got a lot of videos on it. Other people have a lot of videos on it because it works and it's powerful. You see that old video right there I did a couple of whiles back, because I know. So you guys, take my word for it, man. You just gotta go out here and hustle, especially if you, and then you gotta reinvest too. If you reinvest, you can get softwares like TechSpot, where you can start texting your leads every day about the opportunity, and not alone that free app but other free apps as well. And you can take it a step further by getting email marketing as well. Like I use GetResponse, and I just email people every day about my opportunity as well. So you guys, you got to go out here and get it if you want to make that type of income. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. And let me just give you one more bonus too. You want to, once you get this, your referral link, once you take your referral link, you want to come over here to a app called, it's a website too, but bit.ly.com. Come over here to bit.ly.com and you create a link, a customized link for that app. So I actually have one. I actually have two of them, but let me just come over here and just show you what I have been doing with this app. Let me find it. And I recommend use Bitly for all your apps, and especially if you don't want to like get a whole website name for it. This is a great free app where you could just track how your link is doing, because I know you put it everywhere, but we want to just make sure that it is working and people are clicking on it. So I need to clean this stuff up, but let me find it right quick. All right, as of right now, I have like over 8,000 clicks to this app. That makes sense of the money I have generated. So you guys, use the Bitly link so you can track and see if people even clicking on your opportunity. So hopefully y'all found value in this video, man. Y'all go get the app, go download it, link your debit card to it, go make a small purchase, get the $5, come over here, get your link, put it in a Bitly, change it to a Bitly link, make it branded for something that you like. Well, I don't want to go back to that, but brand it, and then just share your information, do videos, post ads. And if you need some help, man, get my training. The training is free. Look at it. Get hella great examples in there to generate the income. So man, hopefully y'all find value in this video, man. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.